Good morning, everyone. Today we'll explore the environmental and social impacts of integrated transport systems, ITS, and their potential to drive sustainable development. But first, what is integrated transport systems?
Integrated transport systems are networks that seamlessly connect various modes of transportation, such as buses, trains, bicycles, and pedestrian pathways into one efficient system. These systems are designed to reduce fragmentation between transportation modes, enhance efficiency, and make travel more accessible for all. There are three primary objectives of integrated transport systems. The first one is social equity, ensuring transportation is affordable and accessible for all, including low-income and underserved populations. The second objective is environmental sustainability, promoting cleaner energy sources and reducing carbon emissions. And the third objective is resource efficiency, reducing energy and land use while minimizing environmental impacts. With this foundation set, let's explore how integrated transport systems support sustainability and urban growth. To begin, let's discuss how integrated transport systems contribute to sustainability. These systems are essential in tackling the pressing challenges of modern transportation while supporting long-term environmental, social, and economic goals. These are the way on how integrated transport systems address these issues. The first one is reducing greenhouse gas emissions, encouraging public transport, cycling, and walking instead of private car usage. The second one is improving air quality. Reducing vehicle reliance leads to healthier urban environments. The third one is conserving resources, incorporating energy-efficient solutions like electric buses and renewable energy-powered trains. And the last one is promoting social equity, ensuring that transportation systems serve all populations, especially the vulnerable. By achieving these goals, integrated transport system can help cities transition toward a sustainable and inclusive future. Now, let's take a closer look at the environmental impacts of integrated transport system. This impact can be both positive and negative, depending on how integrated transport systems are planned and implemented. First, let's talk about the positive environmental impacts. Reducing greenhouse gas emission. Fewer private vehicles mean lower carbon dioxide emission and cleaner air. Improve energy efficiency. Electric buses and trains powered by renewable energy minimize energy waste. Reduce air and noise pollution. Cleaner transportation options and fewer cars lead to quieter, healthier cities. Land conservation. By reducing the need for extensive road networks and parking areas, integrated transport systems protect natural habitats and biodiversity. Next, let's talk about negative environmental impacts. Construction-related damage. Infrastructure development can destroy habitats, erode soil, and disrupt ecosystems. High operational energy demands. While integrated transport systems are energy efficient, their operations still require significant energy, which may come from fossil fuels. Resource utilization and waste. Producing and disposing of transport equipment can deplete natural resources and generate waste. As we can see, integrated transport systems have a profound impact on the environment, requiring careful planning to maximize benefit and minimize harm. Moving on, let's explore the social impacts of integrated transport systems. These impacts influence the well-being of individuals and communities in significant ways. First, let's talk about the positive social impacts. Enhanced mobility for vulnerable populations. Integrated transport system features like low-floor buses and ramps improve accessibility for the elderly and disabled. Reduce social isolation. Connecting remote and undeserved areas to urban hubs ensure access to healthcare, education, and jobs. Cleaner air and improve public health. Reduce emission result in better air quality, benefiting everyone, especially those in urban areas. Next, let's talk about the negative social impacts. Community displacement and cultural disruption. Developing new transport hubs can displace residents and disrupt social cohesion. construction-related disruption. Noise, dust, and vibration during infrastructure projects can lower nearby resident quality of life. It's clear that while integrated transport systems offer numerous social benefits, these must be implemented with a careful consideration of community needs. Next, let's examine the challenges of implementing integrated transport system. Building this system is no easy feat, and there are several obstacles to overcome. The first one is financial constraints. Building and maintaining integrated transport system requires significant funding, often lacking in many regions. The second one is public resistance. Many people prefer private vehicles due to the convenience and lack of awareness about integrated transport system benefits. The third one is policy misalignment. Inconsistent policies and poor coordination among stakeholders hinder effective implementation. And the last one is outdated infrastructure. Modernizing old systems to accommodate integrated transport system can be costly and time-intensive. These challenges highlight the need for innovation solutions and collaboration among various stakeholders. Now that we have discussed the challenges, let's take a look at the strategies to make integrated transport system more effective and sustainable. The first one is policy and government improvements. Align national and regional policy to support smooth integration across transport modes. The second one is community involvement. Engage local population in planning to ensure systems meet their needs and gain public support. The third one is leveraging technology. Use real-time traffic monitoring, GPS tracking, and digital ticketing to enhance efficiency. And the last one is investing in green technologies. Promote electric buses, renewable energy sources, and urban planning that minimize environmental harm. By adapting these strategies, cities can maximize the benefits of integrated transport system while addressing their challenges. Finally, let's take an inspiration from real-world examples of successful integrated transport system implementation. The first one is Curitiba in Brazil. The bus rapid transit, which is also known as BRT system, reduced emission and improved accessibility for low-income communities. The second one is Copenhagen in Denmark. Cycling infrastructure lowered vehicle emission while promoting public health. And the last one is Singapore. The mass rapid transit, which is also known as MRT system, integrates smart technologies, providing seamless and environmentally friendly travel options. These examples demonstrate how integrated transport systems can achieve sustainability, accessibility, and economic growth when implemented effectively. In conclusion, integrated transport systems hold immense potential to transform urban mobility. They reduce emissions, enhance accessibility for all populations, and foster economic growth. However, achieving these benefits require collaboration among governments, private sectors, and communities. By aligning policies, leveraging technologies, and involving the public, integrated transport system can pave the way for a greener, healthier, and more inclusive tomorrow. Thank you for your time and attention.